'Tis the season for mascaras. I feel like this is definitely the season for mascaras, and they're trending at the moment for one reason or another. One particular brand that stood out to me was Lottie London. I saw a girl's TikTok, and she had tried Lottie London's Fake Effect Lash Mascara. I haven't tried any Lottie London products before. This is going to be my first review of Lottie London. The results look good and I was intrigued. I'm just going to bring it up closer to you because I'd love to do a little specs on her packaging. It's very kind of girly and cute and pink. We love it. On the box it says over 90% saw thicker lashes, 90% saw a lengthening effect on lashes, 85% of people saw a lifted wide awake look effect, and this is supposed to be a 12-hour wear and a high precision brush. It says apply 1 to 2 coats, which is what I would normally do, from root to tip, for extreme length and volume. Honestly, I don't remember how much I paid for this, guys, but I will definitely put it on the screen for you. So this is what the mascara looks. Oh, you know what? It actually feels full, you know, not gonna lie. I know for some people, not everybody's gonna notice that, but I always notice that with a product. Like when I pick it up, does it feel like there's anything in it? Because you know sometimes how you're buying stuff and you're like, why does this thing feel so lightweight, literally? But anyway, girl, let's get into it. So I'm gonna zoom you in. As you can see, I've got brush looks like. Super fake, guys. I'm not like screaming from the rooftops, but I'm not mad at it, guys. I think it's actually a really good mascara. It only took me 1 coat to get the look that I would usually only get having done like 3 coats using a traditional mascara. The type of brush allows for more of the formula to stick to it, and so you get more formula on your lashes in one go. Certainly take time, make sure you brush it, work it through, because I feel like it's just as much technique as it is brush, guys. You all want what the girls got in the video, but we do have to sometimes be realistic. If you're choosing products based upon what you see, you have to put your circumstance within the context. So what are your lashes like? You know what I mean? The normal amount that I would spend on a mascara is anywhere between £8 and £12. And I can't remember what the price of this Lottie London Super Fake mascara is, but I will link it on the screen as I'm talking to you now. But yeah, I love it, guys. So let me know how you feel about it. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment box below. If you haven't already, give the kid a thumbs up for this video, and as always, make sure that you are subscribed for the ride, honey. Turn on your post notifications so that you'll know when I drop another video, and I will see you in the next one.